logging the movement of the large grey bull. Health indicators are strong, heart rate steady.
Let's focus on the interaction between the two younger ones.
Keep them moving slowly now. This section is full. Guide the rest to the next one.
Watch the forklift coming in on the left. Okay, bring that hide over here, next to the automated trolley. Careful, it's a heavy one. Look at the grain here, near the edge. It's exceptionally clean.
Yeah, agreed. This one meets the premium standard.
The moisture levels are stable at 45%. Good, let's maintain the current temperature for the next cycle.
The moisture levels are fluctuating slightly above target. Adjusting the cycle time now, we should see stabilization within the minute.
Everything seems to be running smoothly. Yes, parameters are all within range.
The texture is flawless right here.
Yeah.
Caliper confirms the thickness. It's perfect.
Check the grain on that section, B. Looks perfect, A. We can move it to curing.
The alignment here looks good according to the specs.
Agreed, the tension is perfect across the sheet. Moving to the next frame.
Check the consistency right here with the colorimeter.
The reading is exactly within tolerance. It's flawless.
I think this weight is perfect for the trench, don't you agree?
Absolutely, it has the right sheen. Let's make a note on the blueprint.
The automated system follows the digital patterns precisely, ensuring minimal waste of the premium leather. Experience the pinnacle of design. Master-crafted leather, built for the future.
Just set them on the main counter for now. All right, I'll bring the rest of the shipment right over.
Experience the pinnacle of design. Master-crafted leather, built for the future.